Hey guys, so I'm doing like a hair tutorial on how to make like this to make like this to make like a ponytail. Like you can make this into like a ponytail. Like I can just take this out and just wear this down, not this exact like piece because it's like really like sparse, but I have like 3 of these. This one's for like the bun, this one's for a ponytail, but like it's already like stretched out way too much, so I made a new one, and this is the new one, like new curls and everything. And I would put these 2 together to make like a full ponytail. I was thinking of doing something like back here, like back there. So yeah, that's probably what you're gonna see is me putting like the ponytail back there. But yeah, have fun watching. Okay, so I have this. I know it looks kind of crazy. Like some of these got extremely like stretched, and then I have this one, so I put these 2 together to make like my ponytail that I've been doing lately. And this is just like to wrap around the ponytail, like the part that's on my hair. Anyway, I'll show you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys how I made this because I need a new one. So I just got some little hair curled. So I'm gonna, yeah, I just did this and then dipped it in hot water and then put it on a rubber band. I'm actually gonna show you guys, and then put it on a rubber band. So let's just get to showing you that. So, I mean, y'all know how to dip stuff in hot water, but let me show you how I wrap it, even though that's probably not even like that important, but pretty sure you guys can get it. But I'm just like putting it around here, like putting like this length. It's about, I don't even know how long this is. And then you want to bend it down so it like catches the little piece there. And then you kind of want to twist it so it's like twisted curls. You want to twist it as you wrap it. Anyway, so hopefully this doesn't get interrupted by a call because that's really rude and annoying. So we're just going to twist as we wrap, basically, until you get all the way to the end. And I try and make sure my ends actually do get wrapped in. And if not, I just cut them off. And then you bend that too. So you're going to have like a little piece like this. Then you're going to dip this. And you can do like the little strands as thick as you want. Because I know I have like thicker ones like this. And this one's thinner. Because this one's for like the front. I'm going to have like these 2 little antennas. And then I'm going to take this, dip it in hot water. I have like a little hot water over there. So that's what that is. And then, oop. And then when it comes out, I already have one in there because I'm like a cooking show. Like I have the one that's like already done in there, so I can take it out and show you. So the one out of the water, then you take it. I hope this is the one that I didn't just throw in there. That'd be dumb. It's not. So you take it and then you start unraveling. You make sure you don't, like, you do not want to separate the curl like as you're unraveling, because that'll kind of mess it up. If you do, you want to only do that at the root, like at the ends, like at these little ends here. And then you just want to take it and just nicely uncurl it. So it'll just start little things like this. And it looks so cute. You don't want to unravel it yet. And then, yeah, that's when I do unravel it, because I'll take it from here, from the area that I split it from, and then just glide down nice and neat. Make sure I don't separate the curl any more than I already have. And there you go. Beautiful bouncy curl that you can put on your headband. I use more of a like headband one. This one is like from Dollar Tree. I don't even know what it's called. It's called for like thick hair elastic. So like when you have thicker hair, you want to use a thicker elastic rather than using like one of these little small ones. Even though I'm about to use this on my hair. Okay, well, whatever. The flashlight's talking about my phone is too hot. And I'm like, what? Whatever. So after I unraveled that, I did kind of get some like ones that didn't want to do what they do. So I'm just going to take it and kind of cut it off a little bit. I'm going to cut it like slanted so it doesn't look like I just like cut a curl. So it'll just look a little bit more like I meant to do that. So you take this, you put it on here like it's a crochet you know, thing. So you take the rubber band and then you put it under or over and then make the loop, put the hair through it nice and neatly so it doesn't catch on like it's doing for me. And then you can pull all the way through. And then it'll make like a little knot. So it'll be like that. And that's what I did. And I don't really care if it's like one, like half is like shorter than the other because it won't really matter. And that's how I did this. This one is old. And I use different hair for this one. And I use better hair for this one. So that's why this one looks so good. And this one doesn't. That and I've been wearing it for a week. And that's how I got that. And you would just keep taking your curly pieces and putting it on here to make your ponytail. So don't mind my real hair. I'm about to just put it in a ponytail. In a high ponytail. And of course take out my little antennas that I'm gonna use. And then yeah, I'll just do like a music over or voiceover or something like that. I don't want to. Okay, so thank you for watching. This was the hair tutorial. I'm gonna do my makeup with this same hair, so y'all might see this look again and this t-shirt again, if you can even see the t-shirt. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Bye.